Meka, your question goes. According to the latest research, women are the demographic most affected by gambling. What do you think is the cause of this? And what do you think needs to be done to address it? Thank you.
One thing that women have to understand is that gambling is not an investment. It's a game for fun and for entertainment. It seems like a lot of women tend to